What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making another ground beef dish. We're doing some Mongolian ground beef, and I got a lot of comments on the last video like, oh, that would look real good over rice. So I thought I'd do something similar. I mean, I'm doing a different homemade sauce this time. Awesome sauce, by the way. And yeah, let's just dive in with this ground beef. All right, let's get going on this ground beef. This is a little over 1 pound. It's 85/15. Boom. I did put a little peanut oil down. That's my preferred oil for doing Asian dishes. All right. Just flip and chop. There you go. Now the ingredients that I put in the sauce. This is the sauce right here. It's got a nice dark look to it. There you go. Now this is I got in the description all the ingredients and the amounts that I put in there. The amounts that I'm going to put in there are for standard amount, but I always like extra sauce because that's just how we do it. I mean, we like sauce. Yeah, there's some what is it? Soy sauce in there, sesame oil. Let's see, some red wine vinegar. Yeah, everything's in the description, but man, it smells just so good. And there is some brown sugar in there, so it's going to be a nice sticky sauce. So and some cornstarch too to thicken it up, so it bonds with everything real good and sticks. But it's going to be a nice mess on my griddle to clean up. So yeah, let's just let this cook up for a hot second. We'll bring you right back. So to add some heat to this, I got some of these like dried red chilies. I get them in the Hispanic aisle at the grocery store. Nice spice with them, and actually, I mean, in most Asian places that I go, like restaurants, they have them in there. So it's a nice little addition for some good heat. And then right here we got some, this is 2 heaping tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. I'm gonna throw that in there, get a little garlic flavor. Now the meat's almost done too, and that's all the seasoning or seasonings I guess I'm gonna put in there. What I'm gonna do, I got all my seasonings in the sauce. And we are gonna have some rice with this. But my preferred rice for this type of meal is not to fry it on the griddle. I like that cooked in the on the stove in a pot or in a rice cooker, that kind of thing. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna get some nice flavor off this. Ooh, it's smelling so good. And these peppers look amazing. Getting some nice deep red to them now. All right, let's just let that stuff cook up together. Now my griddle, when I started cooking, it was at 315. I have off, low, medium, medium. So that's what we got with that. Yeah, let's just let this stuff cook up for, I'll give it a minute or so. And then we'll, actually, yeah, I'm gonna give it a minute, and then I'm gonna be adding the green onion. Now my wife doesn't like the spicy food as much as I do, but she did say I could put a little bit of this. This is the chili garlic sauce. Put this in a lot of my Asian dishes. You know what? If I can find a link, I'll put that in the description below. But this stuff is amazing. You can get it in a big jar, little jar, whatever. But I love this stuff. So I'll put a little bit of this in there. That's about good. That's a tablespoon worth, I guess you'd say. Mix that up, and you know what? After I get this mixed in, I'm gonna add the green onion. Ooh, baby. Now we got some good smells coming off this. All right. Now this is about, we get our green onions in packages usually, and this is one and a half packages. I got the greens and the whites in there. So let's just let all that stuff cook together for a hot second. Man, this is gonna be so good over some rice, I'll tell you what. All right, there we go. Let it cook. I got my griddle. It's still on low. Let's see how hot we're working. It's about 380. Yeah, about 380 to 360. So we'll just let this go for another minute. Let these onions soften up a taste. And then we're gonna add this amazing sauce. All right, we got a nice color on this meat now. I want it a little bit darker. That's just how I prefer it on this type of dish. So, boom, we're ready to go. Let's add this sauce. All right, this stuff's pretty much done. I'm gonna just turn it off. Now there is water in this sauce, so that's burning out. And it's turning nice and thick from that cornstarch. Baby, man, this smells so good. All right, now, you know what? I'm gonna save that extra sauce, put that over the top of it. So yeah, we're ready to go. I'm about to build it. All right, let's give this a taste. I did add some sesame seeds over the top of that. So yeah, let's dive in and give this a try, man. All right, we got onion, got one of them red peppers. Need some more meat. Got some nice heat from that pepper. Oh, baby. These onions are amazing. I love green onion. That pepper's like just sitting in my throat. Simple dish, guys. Simple, easy meal. And this recipe that I'm giving you will easily feed, we did 2 cups of rice. So, I mean, you could probably feed 3 people with this meal. Unless, maybe 2 of me. I could probably take 2 of these down. Oh, there's a fox running in the street. Wow. Well, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming by. Smash that thumbs up for me if you liked the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Yeah, that's all I got. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.